Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna go over how to draw Frankenstein. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. Obviously, this is a Halloween version, so let's hop into it, okay? First thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna actually start with a line out over here for a cheekbone. Line out over here for a cheekbone. Right on. Gonna pull out over here, make it a little sharp. Out over here for the jaw. Down over here, down over here. Curve underneath, up. Pulling up over here. Zigzag. It's gonna be like the hair coming down. Over here. Out. Across. Down. Downward. You get kind of like that square Frankenstein head. Line across here for the eyes. Line over here, line over here. Curve underneath, over here on this side. Curve underneath. Line over here, tuck, tuck, tuck. Right there. For kind of like some scarring. Curve underneath here, curve underneath here. Line. Line. Line over here. Line over here. So you got that angry, kind of angry. I wouldn't say it's quite angry, but it's like looming Frankenstein eyes. Gonna go over here for the nose. Curve right there. Line over here. Line over here. Curve around the corner. Curve around the corner. Line here. For the nose. Line here for the bridge of the nose. Line right here for the sides of the mouth, the side of the mouth. Line across, up. Line underneath. Curve. Over here on this side. Down right there. Over here on this side. Down right here. Down, down for the neck. Big old Frankenstein neck. And as far as ending it, you can kind of end it right here. Line over here. He usually wears like a suit, but you can just kind of have that line come down, and then we're gonna put the bolts in the neck. Line, line, across over here. Line, line. Down, right there for the bolt. Down right here for the bolt. Curve line here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. And the cool part is you can just kind of add like more details. Maybe like laugh lines from the side over here. Line over here. Over here on this side. Over here. Butt chin there. You're throwing in these, let me line over here. You're throwing in thin lines to kind of add to the detail of the character. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button. There's going to be Halloween drawings on here as well as regular drawing tutorials of all kinds. So absolutely hit that, hit that like. But yeah, anyways, hopefully that was informative enough. One thing I want to do as well is I'm going to fill in the hair. So the hair right here, I'm going to fill that in. Fill it in. Over here in this area. Fill it in over here. Fill it over here. Fill it in over here. Fill it in. And right on. There you go. Maybe throw in a couple little lines over here that underneath the neck. Let me throw maybe a line in the middle there to kind of show that too. You can also throw another scarring going on here. I might bolden out the eyes to make it more bold in general. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line across there. And that's almost done. I am going to throw a little bit of a thicker line around the borders just to kind of give it a little bit of oomph. Right here. Right there. Kind of throw a line upward. Same thing over here on this side. Down. And there you go. Curve, curve, curve. Line over here. Whew. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. What I want you to do is I want you to say Happy Halloween in the comments section. We're going to start Halloween, more Halloween videos on the channel as the month ramps up. And yeah, I'm very excited. I can't wait to kind of interact with more of you guys. Absolutely reach out, and I will see you next time. Okay, talk to you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you can. That basically helps the channel out, helps us grow. And look at the links in the description. There's a bunch of links on there. There's a free cute drawing ebook if you like drawing cute stuff. Kind of tells you how to draw something cute. And there's free drawing lessons on the channel. So thanks so much. I will see you next time and talk to you soon, and see ya.